Hi guys and welcome to my channel. It's Vesna here. If you're brand new to the channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're coming back, welcome back. If you have not subscribed, please do consider subscribing. In my channel you can see trash to treasures, some cooking, DIYs, home decor, room decor, all sorts of things. I have like a mixture of styles, probably farmhouse, rustic, antique, old basically. So I hope you do enjoy what you see. So for this video I am participating in the Trash to Treasure challenge hosted by Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine. Now Casey hosts these challenges every month, and they're an amazing thing to be a part of because it forces you to kind of look around your house and see if you have anything that you could reuse and bring back to life. It could be something as simple as something from the trash, or it could be something that somebody was throwing away or you were going to throw away, like a piece of furniture or something like that. So I really enjoy participating in these. If you haven't checked out Casey's channel, make sure you check it out. Coffee with My Sunshine is an amazing channel. She does amazing trash to treasures, DIYs, thrift flips. So make sure you check her out. You won't be disappointed. For her challenges, she always co-hosts with someone. And this month she is co-hosting with Heidi from Heidi Sonboul DIY. If you have not checked Heidi's channel, make sure you check her channel out. She is also another super creative lady with some fantastic DIYs. For my video, I decided to reuse, repurpose an old cabinet that was actually left behind by the previous owners of our house. We thought we would throw it out. Then I thought maybe I could use it in my craft room. So then I wasn't able to use it in my craft room, so I thought I would throw it out. And then finally I found a home for it, and I'll show you what I did with it. So this was actually an entertainment, like an old, probably 1990s entertainment unit that had a top part to it. So because the top part was gone, we put this piece of wood, well actually I think it's particle board, for where the hole was for the top part. I apologize for the angle of this and for the lighting. It's right in front of the mirror. I had put it in my craft room, and because I'm redoing the craft room, there wasn't much room for me to actually record and do this properly, so I'm trying to do it the best I can, just to show you what it looks like before. So see, the lighting because of the window is a little bit off, but it's okay. So it had a little rolling shelf in the middle there that I took out, and we had originally taped some like shelf liner on top to cover this. Well, we didn't. My husband did. That was his solution to trying to make this look pretty. So anyway, I went ahead and I took that off. So that's what the marks are from. And I sanded it. I'm going to sand it down a little bit just so the paint holds better onto all of the surface, because it's not really wood. I'm not sure what material it is. It's extremely heavy, but I was afraid that if I don't sand it, the paint wouldn't stick. So I'm sanding it down a little bit just with a piece of sandpaper. To me, it's probably one of the ugliest pieces of furniture that I own. I really wasn't sure if I would even keep it after I painted it because it's just so ugly. But I had paint, so I didn't have to go out and buy paint. I had it. I had the piece, so I thought, well, let's see how it turns out, and if we don't like it, I will just throw it out. Actually, I probably wouldn't throw it out. I would probably donate it, but I would get rid of it from my house. So I didn't record myself sanding it off, just because, like I said, the angle is really weird. But then I went ahead and I painted the top of the cabinet with some Rust-Oleum chalked linen white. And again, just like with any chalk painting, you don't have to go in any particular order. But as you can see, I will have to do another coat. So I went ahead and I applied a second coat of paint, and I applied some clear wax just to protect the paint. The clear wax is an Annie Sloan clear wax. So we finally moved it out of the craft room and put it in the family room where I wanted to keep it. And I'm going to go ahead and apply the Serenity Blue from Rust-Oleum using my Annie Sloan brush. And so this is the technique that I used at the top too. Just basically going in all sorts of directions and applying it liberally. And like I said, I had sanded it down a little bit beforehand just so the paint would stick better. You can see the side I applied some paint there as well. I didn't want to move it before I painted the top because I wanted the top to be ready when we moved it back so we could put the TV on it and not keep the TV on the floor. So that's why I had to paint in the other room, and that's why the angle was a little bit weird. But anyway, here is a better angle of me painting this. I'll speed it up because I don't think you guys need to watch me paint the entire piece. So after I went ahead and I applied everything, here is what it looks like just with one coat. And I purposely didn't try to cover it completely because I've done that before where I try to, and then I just cake on the paint. So this way it's just one light coat, and then here it is with another coat all covered. Now the inside of those shells I will be painting white just to bring that white back. So and I was contemplating, because I still didn't like the way it looked, whether I should do black wax on top. I really didn't want to do it originally, but I wound up doing it, and you'll see the finished product, and I think it turned out amazing. In addition to applying the black wax, before I applied the black wax, this time I did put the clear wax below it, and then I applied the black wax. And I've done this on other paint tutorials, so I don't think I need to do it on this video, so I'll link some of my other paint tutorials so you can see how I do that. But anyway, I also thought that the piece needed some handles, so I just went to Home Depot and I got black handles. They were $17 for 5 handles, so they were pretty cheap. So I got the handles, and my husband attached them. So here is what it looks like completed. So I absolutely love the way this turned out. I will not be getting rid of it. I think the black wax definitely added that extra that I was looking for, and the handles turned out amazing. I love, 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 love the way it turned out. So if you like how it turned out, make sure you hit that like button and let me know what you think in the comments below. Make sure you check out my other videos that I'm going to be linking at the end of this video. Check out the playlist, which will be linked in the description box. And thanks for stopping by, and have an excellent day.